Here's the Toro Model H that I picked up today. Got it running today. The exhaust valve was stuck. Fuel line was broken. Not too hard to fix. This engine probably built in the late 40s. It came off of a Planet Junior Garden tractor originally. They also use these engines on a roller that Toro made, and they use them on some mowers. This is one of three of these Toro engines that I have in my collection, but the other two I've never had running. The PTO on this side runs off the cam, so it has a built-in gear reduction. I believe it's 8-to-1. The starter rope cup on this side doubles as a flat belt pulley, so it could be belted up to anything you needed to run by a belt.